Hey guys, I'm back again, and today we're gonna unbox the Goodiebox. It is that time of the year, wow, really, of the month. It's a little bit late, I know that. I wasn't home, I wasn't in the country, so unfortunately I couldn't unbox it sooner, but I'm here now, and we gonna unbox this, okay? Okay, so, it's pretty green, it's really light. I'm not really sure if that's a good sign, because usually when boxes are really light, they're not really the best. Just gonna be honest. Okay, booklet in front of me, and what the hell? Okay, so there's like a little paper thing in here with like a sticker that you have to open up, and then you get to the products, but my products are right down here. Can you guys see that? So, not really sure what the use of the paper is, but we're gonna tear it apart anyway. There we go. Ooh, okay. Let's just start with, my hands are itching. I don't know, let's just start with this little fella because it's like already here. This, oh, hey, wait a minute. Didn't we already receive this fella? This is a blush. It's from Peas. I don't know how to pronounce this. I think this brand is Italian. It looks like that, and I know I'm reflecting, you guys. Is it sealed? Hold on. It's not sealed, so I can open it up. I'm not really sure if I'm going to use it just yet because I have to check the other blush that I have of this particular brand to see whether or not it is the same color, yes or no. Wow, my hands are shaking really, really bad. Sorry for the shakiness. I'm not even sure if you guys can see it because when I look in my viewfinder, it is just completely white, washed out white. I don't know if it's gonna pick up, but still, this is from Peas Cosmetics. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's a blush and it is a full size. Yes, everything in here is. Yes, everything in this particular box is a full size, so that's really cool. And it costs 10 euros. Okay, so we're gonna move on to something from Mascara, which I'm just gonna assume is a lipstick because it quite looks like a lipstick. It's number 202 Claudia, okay. It looks like a regular lipstick in this little matte black tube. And then the lipstick in, ooh, it's a really nice color. Okay, I'm definitely gonna use this. This is what the bullet looks like. It's really, really cool. Hopefully you guys are able to see that, but in here it actually says like Masada. Let's give it a swatch. Oh, all right, that is pigmented. I really do enjoy this. I definitely know I'm gonna use this. I love this color. I do have pretty much 1,000,001 colors of this already, but still I really do enjoy it. Like I said, it's a full size. Let's see, it costs 13 euros, and it says over here Masada Milano Backstage of Top Model Lipstick. Okay, but they have like 2 of these shades over here, so I'm assuming you could get 2 shades. It doesn't say so. Okay, but they do have like 2 shades. It's a pink one, which is Claudia, and then they have a red one as well. Hopefully you guys are able to see that. See over here. But they do have 2 shades. Really, really excited about this little fella. Okay, guys, I have no idea why my hands are so shaky. I think I need to eat something. I haven't really been eating much today. Let's just move on to something else that you guys pretty much already saw in the booklet since I like close it up. It's from Tease Cosmetic, like T-E-E-E-Z Cosmetics. This is Desert Metals Mascara. Okay, what? Oh my god, please tell me this is black. Midnight Sky. I'm just gonna assume it's black. I'm not really sure. Laying herself down in the warm sand, wandering and staring into the star-studded sky. Okay. Let's see. This is what the little tube looks like. It is a really, really cool tube. I need to say that. Let's see what the mascara, what the color is, because I'm always afraid it's going to be, oh, thank goodness. Okay, it's black. Thank goodness, because I'm always so afraid we get like a colorful mascara, which is great if you're into color. But pretty much 99% of the women out there just want a black mascara, and that is it. And I sure as hell am one of them. This is what that little fella looks like. It's like a really, like a droplet. You know what I mean? Wait, this is droplet, there we go. Like a droplet shape. I'm really excited to see what this will do. I think it is pretty much perfect for like the inner corner of your eye, since it is like a droplet shape. So it's like thin on the beginning and then thicker throughout, pretty much like your lashes. Really excited, like I said, to give this fella a try. It's a full size again, and it costs 22 euros. Okay, we're gonna move on to something in here. This is from Comdo. I think this is French. Comdo. I'm not really sure how to pronounce this. This is a face mask. It's hashtag pink paint. It's hydration and radiance, which is a huge plus to me because I do have dehydrated skin, which means I need hydration as much as possible. It looks really clean, like I want to say the tube. This is not a tube. The box looks really nice and really clean. Hopefully you guys are able to see that. And as you'll pretty much know if you've been following me for a while, I am addicted to face masks. I absolutely, wow. Okay, so we got the little thing that nobody reads in here. And this is, wow, this is what it looks like. And now I understand what they meant pink paint, because actually it looks like a painting tube. It's literally what it looks like. Look at that. Look at that, like, tube. See, it's like this metal, basically a metal paint tube. It looks so freaking awesome. Really excited to see what this fella does. Full size yet again, and this one costs 17 euros. Okay, last item in here is a sheet of some sort, and then the box is empty. Let's see, this is a hand mask. It's special 2-layer hand mask gloves, okay? It says over here, it's intensively healing, deeply softening, and gently nourishing for normal and dry hands. Wow, it's got 5 stars, like 5-star hotels. Well, I'm not really sure about that. But this is what that fella looks like. I have to like tip it a little bit so you guys are able to see that, because if I do this, see, it's washed out white all the way. So this is what that fella looks like, and I got something in my throat, hold on. Wow. I'm teary-eyed, I sound like a seal, sorry. Got a little bug there in my throat, I need to drink some water. But the thing is with these hand masks, as much as I do love them and I would love to try this out, I'm actually going to give this to my mother, because I know she has such an extremely hard times with, her hands are not just dry, but they're, I don't know if she's not wearing gloves when she's cleaning or something, but it looks like chemicals have been poured over her hands, and I swear to God. So she needs to have this kind of a thing like masks and such so much more than I do. So this is going to be passed along to my mom. It's a full size, like I said, and it costs 7 euros and 50 cents. Did I even mention the brand? I'm like, but I didn't mention the brand, did I? It's from Mikura Copenhagen Premium Mask Collection. This fella right here. See that? That's where it's from. Okay guys, that is it. The box is empty. What do I think of this month's box? I think this box is a huge hit because every single item in here is going to be used. I would have used this myself had my mother not had crusty, dry ass hands. So this is going to go to my mother, but else I would have used it. The lipstick I love, even though I have 1,000,001 shades of this already, I do use it. The blush I'm pretty much going to use as long as it's not the exact same blush that I already have. But the one that I do have of them, I think it's not the same, but the one that I do have, I really do enjoy. So this is a very good blush. The mascara, can't wait to try it out. And the face mask is kind of what I'm most excited about, because I don't know, I really kind of want to wash my face, put on a mask, but I did that yesterday, so Oh well. Anyway, I really enjoyed this month's box. Let me know down below, what do you guys think? I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!